Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to set up alarm in your Realme 14 Pro Plus. After the separation, we have to slide up, scroll down, go to the settings. No, sorry. In this sort of application, we have to search for the icon name clock from here. And there is a list under the here, and there is a workout, stopwatch, timer, and of course there's alarm. And you can set up the alarm from here to set up the time, date. You can set up the ringtone to add the ringtone of your alarm, known on choice from the list. You can set up the vibration and snooze to your alarm, and after that you can done, and there is adding alarm to your phone. You can disable right here and enable right here from the alarm. And there is a set up the ring once, work days or custom. You can set up the day which alarm gonna be used for you. And that's it for now. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.